1. Your brain can sense someone's presence even when you're asleep. This is due to your subconscious scanning for safety. It's a survival instinct from ancient times. Fact number 2. People with higher empathy often feel physical pain when others are hurt. It's called mirror pain. Your brain mimics what others feel, even physically. Fact number 3. Too much self-control can actually lead to impulsive behavior. This is called the ego depletion effect. When your willpower gets exhausted, your brain rebels. Fact number 4. When you write your feelings down, your brain sees them as processed. That's why journaling actually reduces stress. The mind feels heard. Fact number 5. Your brain responds faster to negativity than to positivity. It's called the negativity bias because survival depended more on noticing danger than joy. Fact number 6. Your brain can trick you into feeling a phone vibration when it didn't happen. It's called phantom vibration syndrome. Your brain is now wired to expect a constant digital connection. Fact number 7. You dream every night, even if you don't remember it. Most dreams vanish within 90 seconds of waking up. Your conscious mind can't hold the surreal logic of the dream world. Fact number 8. People who talk to themselves often tend to have higher intelligence and greater focus. It helps organize thoughts and improve decision-making. Your inner voice is your brain's operating system. Fact number 9. Loneliness can be as deadly as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Your body treats isolation as danger, triggering stress hormones meant for survival, not modern life. Fact number 10. Your memories change every time you recall them. Each time you remember, your brain rewrites details. Memory isn't a recording, it's a reconstruction. Fact number 11. When someone says your name, your brain lights up instantly. It activates the same region as when you hear your favorite song. Your name is your most personal sound. Fact number 12. Music changes your heartbeat. Slow music can calm you. Fast beats raise your pulse. Your heart literally sinks to the rhythm. Fact number 13. People are more honest when they're tired at night. It's called ego fatigue. With less mental energy, people drop their masks and speak raw truth. Number 14. The more choices you have, the harder it is to decide. It's called decision paralysis. The brain prefers fewer options. Too many feel like danger. Fact number 15. When you imagine doing something, your brain fires the same neurons as doing it. Visualization literally trains your mind like physical practice. That's why athletes use it. Fact number 16. People remember how you made them feel, not what you said. Emotional memory is stored deeper in the brain than verbal memory. Feelings outlast words. Fact number 17. Anger gives you temporary confidence. Adrenaline boosts courage but blocks logic. That's why speaking in anger often leads to regret. Fact number 18. Your brain can't multitask. It just switches focus really fast. Each switch burns energy and lowers accuracy. Multitasking feels productive but drains focus. Fact number 19. When you hug someone for more than 20 seconds, your body releases oxytocin. It's the bonding hormone that lowers stress and strengthens emotional connection. Fact number 20. People who curse often are more honest and emotionally expressive. Swearing releases tension. Your brain sees it as an authentic emotional release.